Hello beautiful people, it's Sandro from Abstract Homes, and we're on part 2 of this re-and-re of this tile floor. So I just wanted to show you, now we got it all cleaned up, and Zach is just kind of rehydrating the floor there so that the thin set that we use will bond really well. As you can tell, like when I was talking about this floor before, the nailing pattern, like 3-inch galvanized ring nails, they're 4 inches apart. This floor is solid. It's not moving at all. So I don't believe that it was actually the floor that was causing the movement and then uncoupling of the mortars. But what the heck do I know? Anyways, so now this is what we're going to be putting the red guard down here. So Zach is rehydrating the floor a little bit there too, so we can get a good suction between that mortar and the anti-fracture membrane. Going around here, and this is our first layer. So, and then as you can see, we left this row of tiles because there's actually quite a bit of weight on these with the cabinets, and they're not going to move anywhere. What we did though is we cleaned out the grout lines here, and we're going to be using fusion grout. So people that may not know what the fusion grout is, it's definitely more flexible, and it's like an epoxy grout mixture, and there's the ability to bend a little bit without fracturing. So we thought that would be the best. We'll do the whole floor, not just those points, but we'll do the whole floor that way. All right, I'll show you the finished product later. Take care, guys.